there are benefits to Fiber 35 that go way beyond the weight loss effect. Eating 35 or more grams of fiber a day will help you reduce your chances of having a heart attack. Studies show that each 10 grams of fiber that you increase will decrease your risk of a heart attack by 14%. Fiber will help you maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Fiber will reduce your chances of diabetes. Again, studies show that a 10-gram increase of fiber will reduce your chance of developing diabetes by 26%. That is 26%, that is huge. Fiber will help you maintain bowel regularity, and fiber will improve your immunity, and fiber will reduce your chances of cancer. Fiber has been shown to be helpful in the prevention of colon, stomach, pancreatic, and even breast cancer.